Hello friends, today I decide to clean my mother's house. I begin with front area. The back area I will bring man. So here I swap the floor and I will take everything, I put it in garbage, of course, garbage bag, okay? And the garbage that man will be throw it outside. So I swap only, I don't wash today because before my mother came I will wash. So very hot weather and I do that for my mom only. Okay, clean everything I clean. As you see, I swap everything and I put everything in garbage bag. Okay, the back area or the backyard I will bring man to clean it. Only I will clean this area and I will put I water it the plant. Okay, so yeah, the life without mother is very messy, very not good. Mother is important for us. So I take out everything as you see. So here I clean how possible I can. Okay, everything is here clean. Also I watered the plant and the other area I will bring the man to clean it.
वीडियो अच्छा हाँ बच्चा ठीक है सुबीरा ठीक है कर रही है हाँ बीबी ठीक है हाँ कशेदा बीबी ठीक ठाक है बच्चे ठीक है बच्चे अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह सही है मेरी पोतरियाँ सही ने ठीक ठाक ने अल्लाह खैर करे इंशाल्लाह कम करते हैं शुक्र शुक्र तो बेद माला अरबी माल बेद ओके
So bye.
ओके बाय अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
So the house is cleaned and another day I will make another cleaning. So this is Mohammed Basheer. He take care of your garden and yard and trees and cleaning very great. If you are in dibba fujairah, please check the number down below. Okay, phone number. حبايبي إذا أنتم في دبا الفجيرة وحابين واحد ينظف لكم الزراعة ويهتم بالزراعة، هذا الإنسان الطيب الباكستاني محمد بشير، رقمه في صندوق الوصف. مع السلامة.